Well, I'm getting ready to leave for work. This is Mark from One Day at a Time, FARMSTEAD. And you can see them all staring at me like, where are you going, man? Look at them. Oh, my kitty cats. It's hard to leave this place in the morning. Look at them. Look at it. Scrappy, Browser, Cheeto Puff, BK Brother. We got Crankster. Itzy coming over here. Of course, we got all the characters over here. What's up? Well, good morning. Good morning, love. Got home pretty late yesterday. I didn't get a chance to play with them. I was tired. But look at them. Say good morning. There's Peanut. Oh, Cookie's coming. Come on, Cook. Come on, Cookie. Come on, Cookie. Come on, man. Come on, girl. Not man, but girl. Come on, Cookie. Oh, there's my Cookie. Look at the love in here, y'all. Look at the love in here. Praying for some more rain. We did get a little shower the other day, but it wasn't enough to get our grass perked back up. So we're gonna have to plant some ryegrass in here and switch them around. There's my girls and my bucks. Chicken and cat playing. Yeah, guys, they are absolutely adorable. So, Cookie, come see me, Cookie. That's Precious. Let's just go for the names for new people. So we got Precious. Let's say we got Nana. We got Little Buck. There's Molly. Simon. Sullivan. That's Gretel. Let's see. Cookie is the big white girl right there. And Peanut is a little brown boy behind, right next to her. Then most of the chickens, I do have a lot of names for them. I got one I call Big Girl because she's a big hen. We got Tweety. Then all the cats. Okay, so this is Itzy. We got Woody. There's Woody. Hey, Woody. So we got Woody. Let's see. We got Browser, Scrappy. I think that's Cheeto Puff. Man, so I remember all these names. Crankster. So a lot of names out here, y'all. And of course, we got Dozer, and Nina, and Ginger, and Angel. The Julian pig's over there. Penelope, she's over there. So yeah, there's a lot of names. All the characters on the farm. What? What? Look at him. Hey, little Buck. Hey, Molly. They love that brush. I gotta get a couple more put up. Look at it. We're going to get some brushing done, huh? Okay. I love y'all. Every one of y'all. I gotta get in the road. I could make videos all day long. I could just, I mean, it's truthfully a love out here, y'all. It's so pretty. See the sun. Sun's about to come up. New day. I just want to thank everyone that subscribes and watches our content and likes. Hit that like button, please. Subscribe, please, and share it out. We really do have some good babies here and a lot of love going on. Look at Nana. So that is Nana right there. So we just love everybody that's been helping us out on this channel too. And oh yeah, our live is Tuesday night at Central Time because we're in Mississippi. So that's our live. So please join in. It's awesome people, a lot of good content, a lot of love. Just everybody loves one another. And what are you doing, little guy? That prankster. So yes, it's a lot of love, a lot of fun. So please join in. And like I said, thank y'all so much for sharing it, liking it, subscribing, and just watching what we're doing. Good things to come. Follow your dreams. So I'm Mark. This is One Day at a Time Farmstead. Everybody have a blessed day. Be safe. Drink lots of water. It's hot, folks. Y'all have a good one. See y'all on the next one.